Boom! What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to DC Unplugged. And we are on a bit of a night cruise. I didn't plan it to be a night cruise. It was actually supposed to be during the day. And I had GoPro issues, so I'm at it again, trying to get back some stuff. So I've had a fair bit of GoPro issues with this GoPro. It is getting on the old side. I pretty much have had this thing for about 4 years now, guys. So ever since I started the channel, I started with this GoPro. So realistically, it is probably near its end of its life cycle. And a lot of people whinge about them, but look, at the end of the day, I will be switching out and probably not buying another GoPro after this, because it shouldn't just be, it freezes and I'll be like recording and I'll freeze and I'll stop the recording and it just stays in this solid state and it won't turn off, it won't stop the video. It literally will do absolutely nothing and it will just sit there, and yeah, to the point where I have to take the battery out of it just to even get footage and then restart and do it again. So pretty much out here today. We're doing a bit of a vlog with some footage that actually did get spared from today. So I'm sorry guys if this is all over the place, but I pretty much just wanted to get this video out because there's a couple of exciting things happening. I have been listening to you guys. I've been so crook. So bit of a background thing. Why I haven't been posting much, guys, there is a fair bit going on. One of them, which I was actually bedbound because I actually really badly injured my back. I was in bed for about a week, a little bit over a week, with like chronic back pain, and I have never been in such pain. I would never wish that on even my worst enemies. It is definitely not something that I would wish on anyone. But yeah, I was in absolutely severe pain and I was out at the count for a week, and that was one of the weeks where we had nice weather, of course, as luck and fate would have it, and then it started raining again. So we've apparently been, I guess there's a blessing in disguise, but we've been pretty much with the wettest start of the year for the past 40 years or something like that. It's like something ridiculous, but which I can definitely agree with. It has been absolutely wild to get content out for you guys because it just keeps bloody raining. So I have been working hard to try and get content out for you guys, including even those tiny like middle sections of sun shower when it's slightly dry. I think part of the eagle was made like that just to try and get the video out for you guys. Some more upcoming news is that the video that you all guys have been waiting for, the Eagle's top speed going around the track, that will be getting uploaded after this video. So it might be the following couple of days or that same day, just a little bit after. So that video is coming out, guys, along with putting my medical and stuff aside without me posting. We do have some great news, and I'm really happy and also kind of excited slash extremely nervous. We actually have a affiliate link coming soon for the channel, which is going to be really cool. They actually approached me. A couple of places have approached me and I've politely declined. But yeah, I think you boys got it. I'm just very nervous. I've never done it before, so that is probably the most nerve-wracking thing. It's probably the newest and greatest update. And yeah, so which then brings me to obviously the GoPro footage, the missing GoPro footage. What did I get up to? So I pretty much went with my little brother to a bakery. We actually had a really good time. So here's some of the footage that obviously went through. So yeah, enjoy it. bakery goods acquired. We have a pie and fresh cream donuts. Bakery goods acquired. Now we're gonna go try and find ourselves a mad little spot to eat, because there's actually quite some really nice spots around here actually. Oh, GoPro died. I hate this thing. Anyway, so we've reached our lovely destination, surrounded by water. We have goodies in the bag, which I'm not too sure if that covered because I haven't had a chance to look at it yet. And I'm scared this thing's gonna do weird stuff again. There's my little brother. He is on the, what is it? He's on the Eagle today. Sick. Of course, I'm on the Hurricane. Love this thing. I'm so angry with this damn camera. I just lost so much for this video. Anyway, guys, so to catch us up to speed, because I probably didn't say anything, in the goodie bag, what have we got, Jerome? We've got the fiend, the caffeine, and I'll let you open that up. Oh, that's Jerome's. Chocolate eclair. Yeah, jam and cream and donuts. Yes, please. Fresh cream too. 2 pies. I think it was like chunky bacon and something or other, so that's gonna be sick. And as you can hear, birds singing, food, coffee, scooters, absolutely stunning weather. Probably didn't come through on the camera too because I lost that too. This is the whole reason why we're back out here filming today, is because it is a beautiful day today. And the past, start of the year has been the wettest season we've ever had. So obviously for content creation like myself, it is quite difficult to come out and film stuff for you guys that's actually watchable, because I like to set a nice scene like this. This is just so beautiful, picturesque, and yeah, I like to make the videos feel vibrant, you know, and just engaging, where it has happy vibes and it goes through with the camera and the scene just comes through and everything like that. So yeah, anyway, enough of talking. I'm getting into that food and we'll catch up with you in a sec. Oh yeah. Yes, crunchy pie. And go on, do it, do the thing. Do the thing. Oh yeah.
It's got the skin on.
Looking good. Ah, so good. What do you reckon, Jerome? Rating it? I'm gonna say about 7. It's pretty good, but it's not like God tier good.
I mean, I like it. I'd say an 8.
There you go. So 8 for you?
Yep.
Yep, all right, cool. I'm gonna stick with my 7. But what was really cool though, when we got chatting to the person at the bakery, is that she gets up at 1 o'clock in the morning and this morning shows up at 4. So definitely, guys, make sure you go to your local businesses like a bakery and definitely buy from there. Bugger the big, you know, Coles and Woolworths and stuff like that. Look after your locals. Oh, stop it. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Missed a little bit of cream in there, but that's all right. Damn, I love these things. So good. Taste test. Get it in ya. Try it. Sniff it. Like it. Yep. That bakery slaps for those. Always love going there for these. So good. There we go, guys. Can't get more Aussie than that. Fresh cream, coffee, helmet, scooters, 6 sunset. Let's go. Further up on the channel, I think we've got a couple more bits and pieces coming up. I can hint here that there is a new scooter coming, and I am actually genuinely scared, not scared, genuinely keen for this one. It's been a long time coming and it's pretty cool. I think you guys will really like it. It's, let's just say it's been well overdue. So I'm gonna leave that little teaser there. I do not know when it's gonna come, but hopefully it's soon. But I found some really cool stuff that I am pretty interested in filming with the Hurricane or some other cool bigger scooters, because it was just a whole bunch of fun. So that was great, but I didn't bring cameras with me because at the time I hadn't been able to ride for such a long time, and I was just keen as anything to get on a scooter and get out there and have a blast in the bush. So I really do like bush riding or just dirt riding in general, because you don't have to worry about you doing over the speed limit and making sure you're doing 25 and blah, blah, blah. You can just go out there and send it to your capabilities and have a whole bunch of fun off loose dirt. If you come off, you just somewhat slide and maybe hit a couple of rocks and maybe a tree or two. But that's what full face helmets are for. which leads me on to the next thing. Guys, please start wearing your full face helmets, man. Unfortunately, there was a incident in where I live here in Springfield Lakes where a kid was riding along, and I think this, oh, it stops here, damn it. There you go. Retract, do a U-turn. So a kid was riding, and unfortunately he was not wearing a helmet. Don't know the greater details of it, but apparently he was speeding. Something happened, lost control of his scooter, and went head on with either I think it was a power pole or a car. And unfortunately that kid is not or no longer with us. So please guys, I know you think it's cool just to jump on your scooter and it takes a whole 2 seconds to put one on. Protect that noggin. The first thing that usually happens when you go on a scooter and you crash is you go straight over the front bars. Now whatever speed you're doing, multiply that plus your weight and you have the impact. So it's not a fun thing to see. I don't like hearing or seeing it, and it's very, very unfortunate, and my heart goes out for the parents of that particular kid. So yeah, it's not good, guys. Please, please, please start wearing full face helmet, please. It's even if you're only doing 25 and the scooter's locked, like when you come off the foot, like no one likes it. You get scabs on your face because you've come off. Like a full face helmet will completely cover you and protect you from that. You might get a sore neck and you're good. So sometimes I wear full gear with like, you know, today I'm not, but I'll have like all the like gloves and everything like that, because you can actually do nerve damage when you come off and put your hands out, because the first thing you do when you come off is you try and save yourself with your hands, and your hands come slamming down, and yeah, you try and protect yourself, and it doesn't work out too well, and you get nerve damage, and sometimes it's permanent. So yeah, seen too much of it, guys, heard too much of it, guys. Please take my advice and be safe out there. Just wear a damn bloody helmet. A full face one at minimum, like a dirt bike one, like the one I'm wearing now. Wear one of them. It's crucial. Even if you aren't doing anything stupid, you can just be going from grass to concrete and you'll face plant. Like that's the severity of it, and that's unfortunate. I will be making a video soon for beginner riders, so don't feel threatened if you don't understand everything. So I'll be going through everything in a fine-tooth comb for beginner riders to what not to do, what to wear. It's going to be quite an informative video, guys, and maybe even some of you guys might even pick up on some things that you didn't think were necessary, but I'll put it all in that video. But yeah, for now, guys, I am going to wrap this up. I'm going to show you the video of basically myself and my brother going for what was meant to be, before I lost the footage, of today, and yeah, we went out for a feed. So enjoy, and we'll see you in the next one. See you then.